Here I have Motorola G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, you have to go to Settings, then you have to go to the System, Advanced, and then you have to go to the Backup. Tap on Backup to Google Drive, enable this feature. What you have to do next is to add your Google account. You will need internet connection for this, of course. Then you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next, you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, accept. And that's it. Now your phone is ready to be backup. I won't make a backup right now. I don't want to do this. This will cost too much time. But if you want to back up your phone, here is the button. You just tap on it and phone backups. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.